Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about how to use split screen in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Split screen is a way to show 2 pages from your Scrivener project on the screen at once. These can be 2 pages from your manuscript, or a page of your manuscript and a research page, or a page of your manuscript and your corkboard, or any other combination you want. Here's how you do it. There are 2 ways to split the screen, either vertically or horizontally, although only vertical is available on the toolbar in Scrivener 3 as a default. Horizontal can be found under View and Editor Layout. Click on the split screen icon and 2 pages will appear. At the top of each is the title of that page. As you can see, it automatically brings up 2 versions of the page you're on at the time. To change one of them, simply click on that part of the screen and select what you want to show from the binder. Here we have a different scene, and here's a character sketch, both useful for checking facts. If you want to follow your plot in the corkboard, choose the folder that contains your plot cards for that scene, and click on Corkboard on the toolbar. By clicking Size to Fit Editor on the corkboard defaults, you can zoom in on the details you need. And this is what it looks like horizontally. This may not be useful, but it's there if you want it. To go back to normal, just click on the icon again, and whichever screen was active will become the focus of the editor. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.